Hi friends, my name is Aditya Kauthekar and welcome to my YouTube channel Ocean of Code. So today in this video we are going to see how to find the nth term of Fibonacci series using recursion. Okay, so before we write some code, let me clear few things for you guys. Okay, so as we know, this is the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series always starts with 0, 1. Okay, first two terms are always constant, which is nothing but 0 and 1. Again, we call it as first term, we call it as zeroth term. Okay, then first, second, likewise. And the formula for Fibonacci series goes like this. Let us say if we want to find out Fibonacci of nth term, then which is nothing but Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. Now let us say if we want to find out the fourth term, which is nothing but 3, then as per our formula, it is nothing but the addition of last two terms, which is nothing but 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. All right, now let us start writing some code. Let us say integer n is equals to 7. Okay, this out. Let us have this Fibonacci as the function. Okay, now let us pass this n. Again, let me also add x throws clause here. Okay, exception, because we need it, I'll tell you. Static return type is int. The function which we have taken, Fibonacci, input type is again integer. So first thing is like input type cannot be lesser than 0. Okay, so that we need to check here. First of all, it should not be lesser than 0. Here we can directly throw, maybe you can also throw customized exception, but for time being let me throw this exception, generic exception, invalid input. All right, then next, else if, as we know, first two terms are constant, so we need to make it constant, so return 0. When it is 0, return 0. Else if when n is equals 1, then also return 1. And this is the main block. So first two terms are constant, and here we can directly put the formula, this formula. Okay, now return Fibo. As it is recursion, we need to call the same function, n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. All right, now I think we are good. Okay, let me quickly check if we are missing something here. Okay, we are getting some. Okay, we have not added throws actually. Throws exception, and it should not be after class. Mistake. Okay, now we are good to go. So that's it, guys. Our code is done. Now let us execute and test. So we have given nth term as 7. And what is the expected output? 7th term should be 13. So we should get 13 as the output. Let us check. Cool. We are getting 13 as the output. Now let us check the 9th term, which should be 34. Let us check. Let us put it 9. And we are getting 34 as the output, which is again correct. So mota our code is working fine, but to be on safer side, let us ensure these first 4 terms. So 0th term is 0, first, second are 1 1, and the third term is 2. Let us quickly check. 0, which is 0, that's correct. Then 1, which is 1, that is also correct. Then 2, which should also be 1, that is also correct. And 3. So when the third term we want to find out, which should be 2, that is also correct. So basically our code is now correct. It is concrete code, and we have covered all the corner cases. So that's how we are supposed to write it. All right, guys, you can also find this program in the GitHub. So I'm also going to share the GitHub program link in the description box. Please check it out. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All right, keep watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.